Come, look at this for a second. See this? Isn't that something? Look closely. The people who are moving up are not doing it alone. There's always a hand. Someone pulling, someone holding, someone making sure the next person gets up. That's leadership. Leadership is not about how high you can climb. It's about how many people you can lift while you are climbing. And then, look over there. This guy. There's that one trying to do it alone. No support, no connection, and no real movement. As a matter of fact, no matter how hard this person tries, they are stuck. And this is what I often see in teams. When there's strong leadership, people grow, people take ownership, people start moving together. But when leadership is missing, people disconnect, they lose direction, and even good people stop progressing. Leadership is not control, it's not possession, and it's definitely not doing everything yourself. Leadership is influence, and healthy influence inspires and helps others to reach higher heights.